Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can do a skill move like step over and exit or flick up joke. So I made this video is for beginner or new into this game. Previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now it's EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So for example, let's tap the club, your club, and tap this formation and tap the team editing and tap the skill moves. So you can change your skill move here. Tap it like this by you can acquire from in-game purchase from the store. You can change this, for example, ball roll or the rainbow flick, and you can setting it now before we are going to how to do this. If you are finished editing your skill move, let's get back to the main page. Tap this play button, tap the live events, and tap this kick off button, and this one, choose the skill move. So this is how you can do this skill move. Like there are green skill move button, like tapping twice, tap twice the green button, and you can also combine with the move button to make it smoother, and you can pass through the opponent. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. Enjoy the game.